Start. Not many details have emerged from the given to the Parliamentary Committee on National Security by the military leadership yesterday. Full stop. It has been reported though that the update provided information on the situation in Afghanistan and Kashmir and the status of talks between Pakistan and the banned TTP. Full stop. New paragraph. It is the latter subject that is of immediate interest, comma, and the fact that information Minister Fawad Chaudhry's statement that a ceasefire had been agreed upon between the government and the TTP was broadcast on the same day as the briefing may help connect the dots. Full stop. He said talks were underway between the two sides in line with the constitution and the ceasefire may be extended keeping in view the progress of these talks. Full stop. New paragraph. It is true that such briefings are useful in bringing the parliamentary leadership into the loop on sensitive national security matters and enabling them to provide input and advice to the government as well as the military high command. Full stop. However, the negotiations with the TTP, that is responsible for the murder of thousands of Pakistani citizens, still remain shrouded in mystery. Full stop. New paragraph starts. Reports suggest that the Afghan Taliban are playing the role of mediator while the two sides attempt to stitch together some kind of a deal. Full stop. The unfortunate part is that there has been almost negligible public input in this matter. Full stop. The government has quietly initiated these talks and brought them to a stage where a ceasefire is now in effect. Full stop. There have been hints all along the way for sure from the president, the foreign minister, and later the prime minister who chose to reveal on an international channel that talks were ongoing with the TTP. Full stop. There is, however, no information in terms of what Pakistan has offered in return for this ceasefire, who is on the government's team, and what concessions are being considered for those who have the blood of Pakistans on their hands. Full stop. New paragraph. This is issue may have been discussed at the briefing on Monday and various parliamentary leaders would have given their suggestions, but it is a bit late to be taking them into confidence when negotiations are already in an advanced stage. Full stop. This is too grave a matter to be left to unilateral executive decision making. Full stop. It is imperative the government bring the details of the negotiations into parliament and allow the representatives to debate the pros and cons of the issue in full glare of the media. Full stop. New paragraph. The people of Pakistan are major stakeholders in this debate, having borne the brunt of the TTP's militancy, and they must have their say in the final decision. Full stop. The parliamentarians should use the material from this briefing to initiate a debate on the floor of both houses before any final deal with the TTP is agreed upon. Full stop. The government must come clean on this issue. Full stop.